Hello, good morning everyone. Today in characteristics of living things, we will study about excretion. Okay? What we will study? Excretion. What is excretion? What is excretion? You eat food, that food, the waste of that food should go out of your body also. Like in computer, you have recycle bin. In recycle bin, what you do? All the waste, keep waste, you put it in recycle bin. The same way, it is the process of excretion is also there. The waste product need to be thrown out of the body. Okay? So, the waste product which is thrown out of the body is said to be as excretion. Living organisms consume food to get energy for various activities. They use the nutrients from the food while the remaining food is converted into various waste materials like urine, feces. These waste products need to be thrown out of the. So what is excretion? Living organisms consume food. You all take food, and what do you do with that food? You gain energy. But later on what happens? There are some waste products. If you make a kite from a paper, so there is some waste from the corners that you have to throw it out. Same way, your body, when you take in food, some waste products are there which comes out of the body in the form of feces and urine. Excretion is a process by which a living thing gets rid of waste materials produced during respiration. Excretion taking place in different forms like urine, sweat, exhaled air, feces. For example, urea is produced by the liver as a waste product in human and is removed in the form of urine. Some plants excrete waste products in the form of gum, latex, resin. Green plant excretes surplus oxygen through the stomata in leaves. Now, do you have sweating? Human beings have sweating now. So why you have sweating? The water which is waste product of your body comes out in the form of sweat. Okay? That comes out in the form of this sweating. Same way, urine also you pass from the body. That also the waste product of your body. Feces, that is also the waste product of your body. The different methods are there from where the waste products comes out of your body. Then when we talk about green plants, okay, when we talk about green plants, so from where they give out that the green plants take in carbon dioxide and gives you oxygen. So the oxygen which is giving out from the body, that is your waste products of the plant. Okay, oxygen which is given out of your body, that is the waste product of the plants. You have seen sometimes they are gummy type on the trunk of the plant. Have you seen trunk of the trees? There are some gummy things which is coming out. If you touch that, you will feel like that gum. That is called latex. Okay? That also comes in the form of waste from the plant. Then what else is there? Gum, latex and resin. These are all. You see banana, when you cut, the white color milk type comes out. That is waste product. Sometimes on tree trunks you will see that gummy type things that comes out. That is also the waste of the plant. The excretion means the waste which is removed from your body or the living things are said to be as excretion. Okay. Next comes reproduction. Next is your reproduction. What is reproduction? What is reproduction? To reproduce. To reproduce. Like if human being is there, they will reproduce a child, baby child. That is also after some time it will become as a human being. Correct? So a living organism is capable of producing young ones of their own kind through reproduction. Okay? Reproduction means giving birth to young ones of your own kind. Reproduction helps in maintaining the population of a living organism. Reproduction also helps to carry the characteristics of each type of organism from one generation to the other. Now, it is said it also controls the population. Why it is given it controls the population? You see, if there is no young ones of your own kind, okay, if there is no young ones of your own kind, what will happen? After certain time, there will be no human being left on the earth. Isn't? Will be there any human being left on the earth? No, there will be no human being left on the earth. Okay? Because after a certain age, you know, we used to die. Na? After reaching 50, 60, 70, whatever age life span you are having, you die after that. So if you only die, then what will happen? One day will come when there will be no human being left on the earth. It will not happen only with the human being, it happens with all the animals. Na? It happens with all the animals which is on the earth. That after a certain time all used to die. The adults, they give birth to the young ones of their own kind, so they are going to control the population of the living beings or of the living organisms. Okay, this is the way they control the population. If no one will die, then what will happen? Then there will be so many people or so many animals of one kind will be there on the earth. So there is a necessity of both, giving birth also and death also. Na? That's why population is being controlled. Na? If you think that your father, all are living at one house, what will happen to the house? Your house will not have a single place to stand also. So after certain lifespan or certain lifetime, they used to die, and new generation is taking place in that time. Now, this is about the reproduction. The different organisms reproduce in different way. Some lay eggs, like you eat egg of chicken, so you get chick. Kiwi, turkey, birds give egg for the young ones. Some give birth to young ones while others reproduce by the division of their cells or body parts. Like you see, if you talk about human being, we give birth to a young ones. Na? The same kind will be given birth. Animals, some animals give birth of their same kind. So some are there those who give birth to the same kind. Non-living things do not reproduce of their own, they are produced in nature or by man. How non-living things are reproduced? By the man-made. Okay, they does not reproduce on their own. Now next is definite lifespan. Next topic is what? Definite lifespan. Okay, let's discuss about it. So what we have studied right now, excretion and reproduction. So is it clear to you what is excretion and what is reproduction? Excretion means giving out waste from your body, and reproduction means giving birth to young ones of your own kind. Okay, that's for these two topics.